and welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy and I will be bringing you the best recipes that you can ever make in your kitchen because they are so yummy, so delicious, so good. Okay, so today, this is my first ever video on YouTube and I'm so excited and I'm so happy that you're here with me. So today, I'll be making a milk mochi that I think originated from Taiwan. So let's just get started, I guess. I'm so excited. So the ingredient list I'll be posting right here. So let's get started. I just want to say that there are 3 different flavors I want to show you guys how to make, and also different ways that you can eat it. It is so easy. It takes like 4 ingredients. You got this. Let's get it. You want to start off by pouring all of your dry ingredients into your milk onto the stove and keep stirring at a medium to medium-high temperature. You want to keep stirring until you see little tiny mochi worms in your pan, and then it will slowly start to get thicker, and this process may take a while. So as you reach this stage in your mochi, you want to add in your butter. The butter makes it really smooth and silky. You want to continue to stir this over a low heat, and you want to stir until it is completely homogeneous with your mochi. As you reach this stage in your mochi, it will be very smooth and silky and beautiful, and that's how you know that it's ready. And now you want to pour it into your little bowl, put some plastic wrap and making sure it touches the surface of your mochi, because this way will prevent any water from getting into it. That is your mochi baby. And now you want to stick it in the fridge. Say bye to your baby. Bye! Now let's start on a long-awaited milk tea milk mochi. So I'm going to use an Earl Grey tea bag and I'm putting it into the milk so it will steep and all the tea flavor will be in our milk. So you want to steep it until the milk changes color and it slightly simmers. Don't let it boil though. That's important. So pour it into your bowl and say bye to it because we're putting that baby in the fridge too. Bye! Alright guys, so now we'll be making the dips that we'll be dipping our milk mochi into. So I have 2 favorites and I'll be showing guys my favorites today. First one I have is matcha, and the second one I have is black sesame. Those are my favorite, they're so good. And for this we'll be needing a blender, but if you don't have a blender, you could simply just mix the sugar with the powders that you have.
But I just find that blending it all together makes it smoother, and grinding it, and it's just like a smaller, finer, like sand.
So after our milk has chilled, you want to go back onto your stove, pour into your pan, same process, you know the drill, but make sure to take your tea bag out though, we don't want that in our mochi. Your dry ingredients, stir, 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 doobly doobly doop boo, stir. Mochi worms. Stir, 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 stir. Butter! Mix, mix, mix. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, now into your bowl. Cling wrap. Touching the surface of our mochi. Protect our baby. She's safe. Okay, and remember to stick that in the fridge too, don't forget. Now you want to grab your already chilled mochi and use 2 spoons to make little balls. And you dip it into your preferred flavor. So, mochi number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to patch her up because she's kind of naked. Oh yeah, look how jiggly they are! Jiggle. Now let's make our brown sugar syrup mochi. So pour some brown sugar and hot water into a bowl. Mix, mix, mix. Put in your mochi, and then you're done. Simple. Wow everyone, we are done and I have a whole ass feast of milk mochi. They are so good. Okay, so for This one is the bubble tea milk tea that I attempted on my first try, and this was a fail. So remember that you need to chill your milk before you put in your tapioca flour and your sugar, because if you don't, this will happen. So remember that. This is the second time I made it, and it was successful. Look how jiggly it is. And it's so yummy and so stretchy and so soft. It is so good. You guys have to try this, okay? So I'm gonna try it, and you can watch me do that. So yeah,
I could taste some bubble tea in there. Really good.
Alright, and that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you tried this out because it is so freaking delicious. Alright, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below because I love you guys, and see you next time.